Hey Google, when will the Star of Bethlehem shine?
According to Wikipedia, however, most ancient sources and church tradition generally indicate that the wise men visited Bethlehem sometime after Jesus' birth. The visit is traditionally celebrated on Epiphany in Western Christianity. People also sometimes ask me, what time can you see the Star of Bethlehem? Do you want to hear the answer?
Yes. Tell me. Hey
On
Google,
the website
repeat yourself.
Sure. On the website marker.com, they say, the best time to see this phenomenon will be after sunset on December 21st. It can be seen anywhere in the world, although it will be easier to see in areas near the equator.
Cool. 21st.